Sneha.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very good. And what about you?
I'm good too. What do you do, Sneha?
Means
Meaning, what are you studying?
I'm in class 5th.
Okay, okay, you're in class 5. Where do
Yes.
you stay?
I live in Chhattisgarh, Korba.
Chhattisgarh. Okay, okay. Why did you join Clapingo, Sneha?
I joined Clapingo to improve my English. I know English before joining Clapingo. I knew English, so my father thought to join me on Clapingo so that I can speak fluently.
Fluently. Okay, very good, very good. So, Sneha, are you aware that they give you something called session notes for every
Yes,
class? So, did you go through the session notes for today?
yes, I have seen the session document.
Okay. What was the topic for today?
It was make your own amusement park.
Okay, that's a fun topic, right? Are you
Yes.
fond of amusement parks?
Yes, I love amusement parks and mm, I love the rides that are there, but I'm afraid of some of them, like
You're
Ferris
scared of the
wheel.
heights?
Yes, Ferris wheel and roller coasters. But I like everything that is
You
there.
like everything. So, are there any amusement parks in Chhattisgarh?
Yes, there are so many.
So many. So, how many? How often do you go to these parks?
Mm, After 2-3 months,
Okay. So when somebody asks you, how often do you go somewhere? You should say, um, so you said 2 to 3 months, right? So you
yes.
should say once in 2 months or once in 3 months. Okay. Not
Okay.
say in between 1 and 3 months. So when I ask you, now I'm going to ask you again and you're going to tell me. Okay.
Okay.
So how often do you go to these amusement parks, Sneha?
Once in 3 months.
Very good, very good. That's how you're supposed to answer that question. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. In your school, what do they teach you in English? Like grammar?
Yes, they teach us grammar,
Okay. So where are you in grammar? Like what do they teach you in grammar?
tenses,
Okay.
adverbs,
Okay.
adjectives, conjunctions.
Okay. Very good. Very good. So you're good with conjunctions and articles?
Yes, articles.
Articles. What are the articles? Can you name them?
Articles are a, an, and the.
A, and in the. Very good. Uh, for plural, we have two more articles, Neha. Are you aware?
No.
No? Okay. So today I'm going to teach you something new in articles. Okay? So your
Okay.
school has already taught you a, and the. Right? Now I'm
Yes.
going to teach you two new articles. Now, a, and the are used for singular words. Right?
Yes.
Right? So how would you say uh, for one car? How would you say a car?
Yes, a car.
Right? A car and the car.
Yes.
Correct? Correct. Now, where will you use an?
And I will use an in the word that before the word that begins with vowels a, e, I, o, u.
Yes, very good, Sneha. So this is for whatever you have learnt in school. A, and the are used for singular. Okay? Singular,
Okay.
singular. A car, a bottle, an apple, an orange. Okay, these are all one. Now, when you have many oranges, now when you have many eggs, how do you say? How do you say that? You will say some eggs.
Some eggs.
Okay, so one new article that you have learned today is some.
Yes.
Okay, so for things that you cannot count, okay, what you cannot count, you will use some. I'll give you an example. Can you count the stars in the sky?
Mm, no, I can't count them.
None of us can count, right? It's humanly impossible to count stars. So, how do you say there are stars in the sky? Will you say there are a star in the sky, or will you say there are some stars in the sky?
There are some stars in the sky, is correct.
Yes, very good. So, you understood how to use some as an
Yes.
article? Yes. Now, there's one more article that you can use for questions when you want to ask questions, right? So you will say any. Okay,
Any.
example. Now you just said there are some stars in the sky, right?
Okay.
I'm going to ask you a question. Are there any stars in the sky?
Yes, there are some stars in the sky.
Very good, Sneha. So how do you use any? You use any in a question,
Okay.
right? Now you have to ask me a question using any.
Okay.
Go on.
Do you have any book? Any books?
Yes, I have some books at home,
Okay.
right? Or I can say, yes, I have two books at home. Okay?
Yes.
So those are articles. So today you learned two new articles. What are those, Sneha?
Some and any.
Very good. So tomorrow when you go to school, none of your friends will know this and you can teach them this.
Okay.
You will
I
be
will
the
teach
only one who knows this. Okay?
them.
So if you ever come back to my class, you have to tell me what your friends told you.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Now we're going to learn a few new vocabulary words, Sneha. Do you know what vocabulary means?
Yes, I know.
Good. Can you give me one new vocabulary? Can you teach me some new vocabulary that you know?
I know some vocabularies that I knew from today's session document.
Okay.
These are Ferris wheel,
Okay. Sorry?
bumper cars.
Bumper cars. Okay. What are bumper cars?
Bumper cars are the cars that we um, drive in a limited area, limited space, and we try
Yes.
to hit other cars.
Yes. Very good. Have you ever been on bumping cars?
Yes, once I have been.
So you enjoy riding bumping cars?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Okay, very good. Any other vocabulary that you can teach me today?
Cotton candy, but I knew this.
You already knew it. Very good, very good. Then we'll go for something else. We'll not learn what you already know. We'll only learn what you don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Did you know water slide?
Mm, yes, I knew it.
You knew it. Okay. Do you know someone called lion tamer?
No,
No. Okay. What is a lion tamer? Somebody who tames the lion.
yes,
Okay. Like do you know people who tame the dogs? How do you tame the dogs?
I don't know.
Okay, I will teach you today. Taming the dog means, have you seen dogs When they say sit, dogs sit.
Yes, I have seen a
Yes,
person doing it in front of my school.
yes, yes. So that is called taming. When you tame an animal to listen to what we are saying, right? You are able to listen to me because you are human, I am human,
Yes.
right? When you speak and the animal listens to you, that is called taming.
Okay.
Okay, so dog tamer is somebody who tames a dog.
Okay.
Lion tamer is somebody who tames the.
Lion.
Very good, very good. So what's the new word you learned today? Lion tamer.
Okay. Lion tamer.
Yes, very good. Um, Let me give you one more. You know what is acrobats, right?
Yes, I know.
Acrobatics, you know that, right?
Yes.
Have you seen acrobatics somewhere in the amusement parks in Chhattisgarh?
No, I have
No.
not seen them.
Okay. Okay. So today's homework for you will be after you finish this class, you'll go to YouTube and search for acrobats
Okay.
and see what they do.
Okay.
Okay. I will ask you in the next class.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. One more. One more. Okay. Do you know you must be knowing a magician?
Yes, I know it. Someone
Okay.
who
Have
does
you?
magic.
Yes. Have you ever been to a magic show?
Magic show. No, but they come in our school.
They
Magicians
do.
come.
They do. So you have witnessed a magician.
Yes.
Oh. So they do one magic using something called juggling. Do you know what juggling is?
Yes, I know. That play with balls. Like that it is.
Yeah, it is not necessarily balls, Sneha. It could be anything. It could be a ball, it could be a ring, it could be few apples, it could be anything. Okay, when you juggle more than two or three or more than what you can hold in your hand, it's called juggling.
Okay.
Okay, that's called juggling. Very good. Next word. Hmm. Have you ever been to a dolphin show?
No.
No, you've not been to a dolphin show. At least have you seen a dolphin?
No, I don't. I haven't seen a dolphin.
Even in pictures and videos?
Yes. In videos.
In videos you have seen. Have you seen dolphins have this long mouth in
Yes,
front?
I have seen.
Right? What is that called?
No, I don't know.
Okay, so today's new word you're going to learn is a snout.
Now,
Yes, a dolphin has a snout. You don't call it a mouth, you say dolphin snout.
dolphin snout.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Um, Boating. Have you been to boating?
No, I have not been to boating.
But you know what boating is.
Yes, I know.
Okay. Do you know something called kayaking?
No.
Kayaking. Okay. So when you go on a boat, Sneha, how was it? Like, have you seen that person having that rod in their hand and row the boat like that?
Yes, I have seen.
Yeah. So you sit on the boat and that man rows the boat, right?
Yes.
That is called boating. Kayaking is when you sit on the boat and you row on your own. That is called kayaking. Okay. So you are going to search for what on YouTube today?
Acrobats.
Very good. What is the grammar words that you learned today? 2 new words.
Some and any.
What are they?
Their meaning.
No. Under grammar, what are they called? Are they called verbs? Are they called adverbs?
They are called articles.
Yes, very good. And what is juggling?
Juggling is to to throw something in the air and catch it back. It is
Throw
called
multiple something, not one, multiple something. Okay.
yes.
And you one more new word you had learnt. What is it?
It is kayaking maybe.
Kayaking. One more.
One more. I cannot remember.
Think. Taming.
Yes, taming.
Yeah. So what was the new word you learnt in taming today?
In taming dog.
Lion tamer.
Yes, lion tamer.
Lion
Lion
tamer.
tamer.
Okay, you have to remember lion tamer. Okay. Has your school taught you something called idioms, Sneha?
Yes.
Can you come up with one idiom for me?
Around the corner.
Yes, very good. One more.
A cup of tea.
Okay, can you give me an example for what is your cup of tea?
My cup of tea is to read books.
Wow, very nice. I hate reading books. Okay. Okay, today I'm going to teach you a new idiom. Okay? Okay. It's called once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon.
Yeah. You know what's the meaning?
No, I don't know.
It means rarely.
Rarely.
Yes. So when somebody asks you, how often do you go to the amusement park? You say once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon.
Okay. So
Okay.
we're almost at the end of the class today, Sneha. I hope you enjoyed the class and I hope you were
Yes.
able to understand what I'm speaking.
Yes. I
Yes.
love the session.
Thank you so much.